Hey guys, it's Cal here with another video, and it's heck a lot for no reason. Okay, welcome to double cheeseburger medium fries. Sorry, we're doing sorry about. So pretty, even Mario. Shut up, phone. Why are you calling me on my day off? I know I said you had the day off, but I need you to come in today. What? But as you, if I don't see you here in 20 minutes, you're fired. You jerk. I don't need this job. Time to go back to sleep. You better not be annoying me. Ah! Yeah, I don't need this job. I quit. Just need to clock in and get the day started. Clock in, okay. Dude, I just signed in. Here we go. I wish I had a car. Walk faster. Like I said, I don't want to be here. Okay, I will have a regular hamburger, please. What's a regular hamburger? Okay, I'm gonna catch it. Yeah! Make a burger, okay. So, boom. Boom. Oh jeez, this is dirty. Why do you want a burger here? Thank you. Ordering our disgusting burger. Have a great day. I'll take 2 hamburgers with both lettuce. I'll also have medium fries. Okay. Oh, skills! Skills! Watch me. Oh. Skills. Buy some this stuff. Done. Okay. Lettuce. I don't know the order, okay? Never tells me. Okay. And do the other one. Should I do the other order? I wonder. It looks decent enough. Here you go. 2 burgers and medium fries. Enjoy your nasty burger and very greasy fries. Deluxe burger and medium green and medium. You okay? Yourself? Let me check that. Yeah. Great. Fry. Quickly do. Okay. Ah, nice. And deluxe. Oh jeez, I hate that. Okay, pickles. And done. It's beautiful. They don't pay me enough for this, okay? Yeah, I know that for sure. I feel like getting paid $4.90 an hour. Oh, thank you for noticing! Oh, thank you so much. I totally noticed that. And you're still eating here? That's the crazy part for me. Ah, cream. No, it isn't. Sorry. Lying to yourself and me. You're still waiting. Oh, you're finally here. Okay, all the way. And the ice cream cone. Okay. Very pricey here. Skills. Ready for skills? for this? They put a flip onto it and they put a flip onto it and really? That's a trick. Come on. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Okay. Done. Okay. Up it goes. Up. Never. Go. Amazing. Okay, ice cream. Go. Yes. They don't pay me enough. I'm making a sword. Wow, cheese. The double cheese there. There it goes. That is amazing. Like I said, they don't pay me enough for this. Don't give me attitude, we're gonna do it next person. Oh, you too? Okay. Oh, it just said that. Are you too good for it? And last one. I wonder what these drinks are. I name everyone. Teal is Mountain Dew. Green is green tea. Yellow is lemonade. Red is what is red? Punch. And what is the other color? Change the fonts. A lot of letters. Okay. Yeah, I did it. Okay, orange is orange Fanta. Boom. A lot of letters, okay. Can I just go underneath it and no. That's not. Let's try. Why don't you get a letter from? Get out here. You're a disgrace. You're a disgrace. Get out here. Get out here. You could have to make that at home. Yeah, okay. Thank you for a regular order. Take your time. But thank you. You're so nice. I won't make you wait for me. You say how nice you are. You'll do it. And I'll make yours very nice too. There you go. There you go, very nice package for you. Have a great day. I didn't say have a good day. This time, wow. For my lunch break. Ooh, lunch break, I go. Is that if oh no. Fire! Oh. I'm gonna die in a fire one day. Just because of this. That was scary. How did that happen? Someone try and kill us. Boom. Lunch. Right thanks again for coming in today. Yeah, no problem, I guess. Why aren't you helping with all the lobby orders? There was odd for me to handle. I'm just busy with the drive-thru. I also have a lot of work to do. Oh, okay then. I noticed a lot of unhappy customers today tried to do better. Oh, I'm sorry. Unhappy? Just try to do better. Enjoy your lunch. Unhappy. I think everyone's here. I think it's your fault. I know. I'm sorry, okay? Someone's being really loud on their phone. How come? I don't know how many times I can say it, please. I hope that person knows, right? I'm talking to her. I want to talk to her. She's a nice one. My break is over already? It was nice while it lasted. Wow, the floor is messy. I guess the very oh jeez. That wasn't me. Someone did that. How did a fire cause that? Damn it. People living on me. This is why I can work with fast food like this. I hate frying and all of that. Did it just do it by yourself? Oh jeez. No. Oh wow. Done. It's not my job to think so, because you have to pay, to be honest. No. Sure I can do, but do the two thing then. I can make purple. And chocolate chip sundae. Huh? Yeah. You do too. You do that. Wow. You really don't want me. Chicken. Okay. That's all? Oh. How far can I go? Chicken sandwich. This chicken sandwich actually looks good. I'm hungry. Oh. And strawberry. Ew, I'm hungry. Oh, great. You done yet? Okay. Done. Okay, so this, yep, keep going. I'm ready for next. Yum. Why Sundays? Why do we even have Sundays? Okay, let's try this. I'll catch it. No! Okay, got it. Okay, orange, let's do orange with us. Very simple. Oh man, today now. Oh, Sunday. Okay. If you guys want, put in your favorite flavor of ice cream. I can't choose because I love strawberries. But I have had a lot of things, but strawberry cheesecake. Mix so many things together, I swear. Making me more hungry when I'm hungry. I haven't eaten forever. Now I'm gonna die by hunger. It's definitely. I hear that I'm hungry same time. Because I didn't get to eat about cherry, but my food was burnt. And caramel. And cherry on top. And how do we save it all in one at the back? That's it. Okay, that's one. Hopefully that's one. I do. Sorry. Sorry. I do. Could make purple drink. That's the crazy thing. Ooh. Okay, last thing. Speedrun it. Okay, that ruined my speedrun. Attempts. Okay. Done! I'm out of here. I'm out. I'm clocking out. I'm out. Oh, you really look struggling. Your name is such a mess. I don't know. Maybe because you're manager? You'll be here all night. How do you get this for this messy? Oh. Messier than mine. Dude! No! They are nonsense. No! 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 Get it. No. No. Give me a moment. chocolate is that left in here. Oh well. Since I have it somewhere, I'm going. Okay, got some chocolate. Some kisses to survive a bit more. That's good. That's good chocolate. I'm gonna make it way faster. No. What is it? Weirder than that? I bet that would taste very good. It's like fried chicken or something. But usually I get breadcrumbs on it too. That would be good. I feel like the orders are just gonna get weirder and weirder. Now everyone says chocolate M&M's? We have M&M's here? Go in. Fry. Okay, is it just me? Or McDonald's fries are actually good? Is it like sometimes me and my mom goes there and just buy some fries? Like once I was driving and the only place I drove to was just McDonald's fries. The drinks, I'm concerned. Let me explain. So where I'm from, there's a little thing, a little rumor and stuff about McDonald's, and it ruined me interested in their drinks. Cause one time, I finally like, oh yeah, I ordered a drink and it was like a little crunchy and stuff. And then he opened it and noticed there were ants in the soda. That's why I'm concerned. So always check your codes, kids. Me up there. I nailed it so well. Thinking about it? Yeah, you'll never know, but I was thinking about it today. Don't really trust it. Yeah, I know which McDonald's he was talking about, because that was literally the only McDonald's that was closest for his walking distance. He doesn't drive or anything. He just walks everywhere. Only if his friends or something pick him up. I was just lucky. Why? Why? You're telling facts, dude. Why? Like, ain't I the cashier? I'm a bit of everything. From work experience, I know, like, some people are bachelors, so they do drive-through and this front, and they have to clean, so. And sometimes cook, but not cook, sometimes. Work experience is just fun because it makes you money. Also, we do remember it. They don't reuse characters. I'm so happy. Okay. Removing one and removing one back. And leaving you. The better. So this is named after her. The game, actually, wait. That's crazy to think about because there must be a reason I should keep on coming up. Is it time to close? Yeah. Here you go. Oh, what? Wait, I just need to go home. Yay! I'm so fast, dude. I'm Sonic speed fast. I'm the Flash fast. I am the Mopper fast. I am the Rapid fast. No pun intended. I'm the Ocean fast. I'm the fast. I am the Kelp. I come in here to kelp. Yes! Caca! It's alright. I'm so happy. No. Don't you come out and tell me I have to work that shift? I'll be done with him. I can't wait. Hey. What's the phone doing? Hello? Hey. I know I shouldn't have called you. Your day off, but what do you mean? The work you did today was very sloppy. I have so many complaints about you. Oh, I'm having to deal with all of the customer alone. It's really stressful. I understand, but please do better in the future. Next time you work, be careful what you're making. Always should make sure the burger line up, the sort of thing. I think I understand. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Dude, why are they complaining for? They don't care about those things. Bad end. Wait. Huh? Bad? What? They're endings? Oh. Oh, it's so early. Yeah. on. Alright, hurry up. Calm down. Thanks, just give me a moment, cheese. That's okay, guys. Give me a second. And fast forward. But I gotta do something real fast. Okay, back. There's nothing wrong with being up early. I'm tired of having this crazy all the time. Are you? Not like I have any to make anything. Are you? Everyone, what any you have to take up at this time. Get used to it. And whatever. Oh, just find myself some breakfast then. So, after you eat, there's some cleaning you need to do around the house. Fine. I mean, you own it to me anyways, right? The one who paid the bills. Whatever. You jerk. I cracked the raw eggs, okay? Down. Yeah. And like this. I guess. Dude, he put city on his clothes. Do you have somewhere in mind? enjoy it. We'll see that today. Forget I never remind me of some simpler time. Still fun. This is super cool. Yay! Now sing some more. Yeah, I love singing. 390! Whee! I feel think it did okay. I'm concerned again. Maybe we should clean this up a bit. Because I guess I could put everything. Intention and relax. Keep exploring the park. Okay. Got that guy. And they're like hungry hippos. Okay. Where did we get bread from, to be honest? Okay, I'll sit down. Well, here I am, relaxing in the parking lot again. It's kinda nice with us after doing some stuff around here. I'm seeing Iron and Gotha. I probably should stop doing trash thing. I pick up some trash, but they kind of just make me again hurt and they to pick up after others. I got a tire allergy, but it's alright. Anyone haven't even dare to get it back. They probably never got a new one already. I bet the dogs, wait, don't dogs explode when they eat bread? Probably nonsense, so doctors will try. Maybe just waste my time. I kinda wish some Marco didn't even try to be my friend. They know what the other even happened, of course. I'm pretty bored in looking. And probably the way I want to be left alone anyways. Do I even need friends? They probably just get tired really quick. What's the point of wondering about those things when they haven't even happened yet? Why is it no time I get there alone and thoughts? I think about how sad my life is. No, we're no job. Be more positive. I could confine this night. Getting hungry. Time to order the usual. Okay. Wait, let me guess. Double Caesar medium fry? Yeah, that's what I want. I do it. Let me get that for you real quick. you enjoy. Thank you. No problem. So you made me that in my order now? I guess I do. You're very recognizable. Thanks, I guess. See you next time then. I eat and berries to be recognized. Hey, why is he coming to say, hey, how are you doing? I'm fine, thank you. I never love pee. I'm sorry for making things awkward when you ordered. Mind if I see it? I don't mind. Also, my name is Liz. I'm very bad with names, sorry. It's nice to meet you. Is everything really alright? I couldn't help overhear you yesterday on the phone. You seem upset. Maybe I can be on ear. What is going on? Maybe I can open up. I'm just my dad. He's been pressuring me to get a job, but I can't find the motivation. I feel so empty and tired sometimes. The last thing I needed to is him making me feel even worse. He means well, but I don't know. I'm sorry. Know what the pressure is. I mean, I was in a pretty tough situation too, and I ended up getting this job, and things have been improving since. Not glamorous, it's just classy after all. It can be alright. A pretty good pay, surprisingly. I really that doesn't sound too bad. Yeah. It might sound crazy, but maybe you can work here with me. That's nice of you, job, but I don't think it's something I'd be about. You can be just fine. But seriously, for employees, I'm not allowed to hire anyone who not that I don't trust in your ability. Even if you hear our show, think you might like it. Really? Yes. Wait, I'll be right. Okay, but like, what is going on? That's it. I really belong here. Maybe we'll be friends. Here it is. I just talked to my boss and got the clear. If you want, you can work for the rest of the shift. Go for it. What? That was fun. I tell you, my boss is desperate. Well, even pay you in cash tonight, even if the paycheck will take it release. Then you get ahead of yourself. I'll never start working. Don't worry so much, it's probably actually pretty easy. I'm so tired. Come on, there are only gonna be a few more customers tonight and you'll be paid. Wait, do you say? I guess I'll give it a try. Awesome! Well, worst case, I'll get money. Worst case, I get a job seem worth a shot. The way it seemed the boss finished the game that allowed me to behind the counter. Clock it. Thank you, help me. Of course not. Yeah. So many freaking people. Yeah. Doing well. It's into a veteran and right? Yeah. Sorry, I'm new. 13, sorry. But also needs the no, that's perfect. Easy. the side. Not well until you make it. Because maybe later. Really easy to feel the magic. It really is great. So many ingredients. Ah! Ah. There you go. Ta-da! But the saw isn't working anymore. Yes. Tao? I think she already approached. Wait, there was a Sunday before? It's great. Make it sorry. Yes! Done! It sure does. It does. Like I said, I need this short coffee. I think I really got a large one. Okay, out my pack. Out. Make sure you don't leave it in too long. Okay, just a little more frying. Yay! Go! Okay, time to contain this. Yay! I think I lost my... Hey, I didn't notice I don't have my phone on me anymore. Yay! No, it's not sloppy. This is the exact same way I did it for you. First, later. Ha. I'm switching my locations. Oh, that wasn't even... oh wait, I need to clean up now. They're super messy. Oh yeah, I'll do that in a bit. Got cool. Ah, shoot. Ah. That's better. I gotta wash dishes. Why? That one I think. Some people are just born like, oh, I never had to clean dishes. I've been born as cleaning dishes. Same girl, same. The first time I ever used a mop was at work. Yay! A mock out. Haha, that's funny. You must agree. Continue walking. What do you think? It's really stressful, but overall, maybe not so bad. It's really surprising how much your boss paid me for just an hour. He's probably being extra nice if you want to join. And his bad acting and the stress. And now, yesterday he called me in. It was my first day. It was my day off. You're new. You gotta get in job. Giving me initiative to work here. If you still want the job, I guess I'll give it a try. Living burger was fun. I mean, no more. Yeah, sure thing. I'm gonna go home now. Yeah, me too. Usually the paper will hit there in a few days and your shelf's open. You really enjoy working here, though. Will I? I enjoy working my job. Yeah, welcome back. Thank you guys for doing the chores this morning. Yeah, no problem. Did you do anything interesting today? Yeah, I did that myself. Today, I think I'm gonna start working with the packing. Like getting a job. Yeah, that I work. Yeah, great. That's great. What will you be doing? That's the job. No, it's not much. And someday, it will be the experience for you. Congratulations. Thanks, Dad. I'm really proud of you. Let me know if there's anything I can do to support you, or if there's anything I can help you with. Okay, Dad, cheesesse. I'll remember. I'm saucy. So I'm going down past now. Good night. Her father is so nice, Hi, good job now? I wonder what I'm gonna do with all the money. I should probably save a bunch. Or buy a ton of food. But I'll worry about that later. Maybe have some idea. Co-working ending in endless unlock. Oh, so cute! Different endings, so? Do you get different endings? No, that's it. I'm probably gonna play it again to figure out all the endings. But that will be later. Time for me to get off because I'm ready to die. For my own good. See you in the next video. See ya!